Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we are going to learn how to add customer to a sale. So let's get to it. So the first step is to go to new transaction. You'll find the new transaction button here or on the nav bar. So let's click on it. Good. Now new transaction is where the selling takes place. So we are going to select a couple of things our customer wants to buy. We just choose anything for illustration purposes. Now once we have this down, let me try and see if I find the phone. Now once we have these down, you want to add a customer to a sale. So when you scroll down a bit, you see the add customer button over here. You click on the add customer button and then there's a drop down. Now once the drop down appears, you notice we have what we call the new customer over here and the existing customer. By default, it's the new customer that is automatically selected. You can click on the existing customer and then we have this appear. So let's talk about the new customer first. So in the new customer section, you are going to have to enter the details of the customer. So you, if it's a new customer, you enter the new customer's name, you choose their country, and then you enter the customer's phone number, and then you come to choose the customer's location. Now this side of this particular section is very important. You have to fill these ones. Without filling everything here, you cannot proceed to finalize a transaction. Now when you come to the right, we have what we call the additional information for new customer. Now this side is optional, while this the left side is mandatory, the right side is optional. So you can choose to provide them or leave them. But if you provide them, it will be very helpful to you. So you have to input the customer's WhatsApp number, the customer's email, their occupation, and their birthdays. So once you have provided all this info, then you go ahead to finalize your transaction. Now, if you already have the customer's name in your database, you don't have to go through the whole step of re-adding their details again. You click on existing customer, then you come here, it says choose existing customer. So you click and then you choose from the database that you have here of all the customers that you have saved. So once you click on this, then you can go ahead to finalize your transaction. We don't have a receipt, so we are going to just click on this, and then that is it. So this is how you add a customer to a sale. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of such amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.